Hello and welcome to Jigs's Shed. Now, I've got a friend's wedding coming up and my wife wanted to add another little extra to the wedding present. So I decided I'll make them a bowl, but I will make it out of this piece of Figured Sapele that I got from Dale over at Maple Tree Studio. So thank you for that, Dale. I'm really interested in seeing how this turns out. I've already got the faceplate ring mounted. This will go onto my small chuck. I will put out a video soon where I'm using the larger chuck that I recently unboxed. But I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. Well, there you go. There's the Sapele bowl done. First time turning this wood. I found it dusty, but enjoyed the turn and really like the outcome. There's some lovely chatoyance in there as well. Not sure if the camera is picking any of that up, but yeah, I'm pleased with it, and I hope my friend will be too. I will put some stills up at the end, so stay tuned for that. So I do have some shout outs to do as well. I've got my first Japanese sticker swap from Good Chubby Craft, Iron and Wood. Some lovely pieces of furniture on his Instagram page. Do go and check that. I then also met Matthew Moustache over at Maker Central. Great chap, and some great pieces on his YouTube channel and Instagram as well. Then another sticker swap from the States, a Welshman over in the States, Richard A. Wyatt. Some lovely carvings that he does on his Instagram there. Also then got to meet the lovely Jennifer's Craft and Creations. Do go and check out her YouTube channel and give us some support there. I then also had the pleasure of meeting Make It So, who also runs the Awesome Mini Makers. Had some lovely artwork that she does, so do go and check out her Instagram page. You will be amazed. Some beautiful little sunsets on little canvases, and a whole Marvel collection that she's done as well, which is just amazing. Do go and check her out, please. All links will be in the description below. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And we'll see you next time.